In this video, we are going to solve basically a question from exercise 2D of D2 7th edition, and it is regarding graphical method to solve the simultaneous equations. So question number 1 part is, is we have been given two equations, 3x minus y is equal to 0, and the second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 1. Name it equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So graphical solution requires the graph for both these equations, and the point of intersection of the graph of both these equations will be the solution for this pair of simultaneous equations. So first of all, draw the graph for 3x minus y is equal to 0, and for that you need to suppose the values of x and you have to find the value of y against those values of x that you are going to suppose. For example, x is 0. So when x is 0, what will be the value of y? You can find that by putting x 0 over here. So when you will put x 0 over here, so 3 into 0, when x is 0, 3 into 0 is 0 minus y is equal to 0, and from here y is equal to 0. So when x is 0, y is equal to 0. Now suppose x is 1. So when x is 1, you are going to put x1 over here in this equation number 1. And 3 into 1 is 3 minus y is equal to 0. You can move y on the right side and y will be equal to 3. So when x is 1, y is 3. When x is 2, you can find y. So using x equal to 2, you can find the value of y, and that is 3 in place of x, use 2 minus y equal to 0. From here you can shift y on the right side. 3 into 2 is 6, so y is equal to 6. Now you have got 3 points where the coordinate of x and y are known. You can draw these points on this graph. Okay, this is the graph where this is x-axis while this is y-axis. Now you can plot these points on this graph by using the value of x and y, where x is 0, y is 0. You can mark this point because here this is origin, x is 0 and y is also 0. When x is 1, y is 1, 2, 3. This is your second point. When x is 2, y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now you have plotted these points 0. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 1, y is 3. When x is 2, y is 6. X is 2, y is 6. On your graph, join them with a straight line. So joining these points using a straight line. So that will be a line like this. Okay. Now this is the graph for 3x minus y equals 0. Now you have to plot the graph for the second equation to this one, and the point of intersection will be our answer. So plotting the graph for the second one. So this is equation number 2. Now you have to acquire data for this equation. The equation is 2x minus y is equal to 1. In order to draw its graph, you need to suppose values of x and you have to find the corresponding values of y. Suppose x is 0. So when x is 0, what will be the value of y? In place of x, use 0 minus y equal to 1. So 2 into 0 is 0 minus y equal to 1. Multiply by minus on both sides in order to have the value of y, which will be minus 1. So y will be minus 1 when x is 0. When x is suppose 2, this is assumed value of x. What will be the value of y when x is 2? You can use x equal to 2 here, over here, x is 2, minus y is equal to 1. 2 into 2 will give you 4 minus y equal to 1. You can move 4 on the right side, it will be minus y is equal to 1 minus 4. So minus y will give you minus 3, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, cancel minus on both sides, so y is equal to 3. So when x is 2, y is 3. Now you can plot these 2 points on your graph for the second equation. This is your graph. So when x is 0, y is minus 1. When x is 0, y is minus 1 over here. And when x is 2, y is 3. When x is 2, y is 1, 2, 3. Now join them with a straight line like this, okay, and you can have your solution then. Okay, right, okay, like this. So the point of intersection, so this is the graph for 2x minus y equal to 1. Graph for this one, 2x minus y is equal to 1. Okay, now this is the point of intersection for both these lines, and the coordinates of this is x-axis, so this is minus 1, this is negative y-axis, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So the coordinates are minus 1 and minus 3. So the solution for this pair of simultaneous equation is x equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 3. This is solution for question number 1 part A. Subscribe the channel to have videos on the solutions of maths on these as well as on past papers. Thank you so much.